Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox 360 Slim 4GB console that is stuck on the splash screen. Let me show you what's going on. I've been working on this thing for a few days and it's been really kicking my ass. I quit my job, broke up with my girlfriend just to fix this stupid thing, and finally I succeeded. Alright, so it's stuck. People have said use a USB flash drive. That didn't work. So I decided, hey, idiot, why don't you do this? Take out the internal flash drive that's causing an issue, because when you go into the memory, you can't format it because it says it's unformatted. Beats me, I'm guessing it's corrupted. So let's take it out. You need to look up on YouTube how to open up an Xbox 360 Slim, because I had one heck of a time trying to open it, and I'm not going to close it back up and try to open it again because my head hurts. Alright, so this is the internal memory right here. It's just a little chip. It comes out. There's a connector on this side and two sponges on this side. So let's disconnect the connector, like so, and just pull off the sponges. One came off, one didn't. Let's go back in there, pull that off. Alright, so that's done. Let's put it back down. And by the way, I'm fixing this for somebody else, so the guy that I'm fixing for, if you see this video afterwards and you would think, shit, that could have saved 20 bucks, I'm sorry. Alright, let's plug her back up. And let's start her up without the USB flash drive, because this is going to be our new memory. Okay, so it started up beautifully. Actually, let's not shut it off. Let's just plug the USB drive in. It's plugged in, and a profile came up because I created it one time when I waited the 45 minutes for it to boot. There you go. So if you excuse me, I have to go and beg for my job back, and yeah, my girlfriend too. Alright, have a good one, guys.